Hi everyone, Arnold here with Overland Explorer Vehicles. I'd like to show you the brand new for 2024 Hudson Bay hardwall version, or hard-sided. This particular one is 8 feet long. Like with the other Hudson Bay soft walls that we have, 6.75 foot or 8 foot bed replacements. You can also get this in a 6.75 foot. This one's sitting on our Aluma Tray, 8 footer. The nice thing about the hardwall is for those that don't want to deal with the soft side, don't want to deal with lifting a manual roof, everything is identical. The only thing that's different is that we've just eliminated the soft side, continued the wall up, added windows, including the escape hatch up front. Just like with the soft-sided, you're going to find everything pretty much in the same locations. Your vertical 20-pound tank, outside shower location, source for your outside shower spigot, your battery tray. We got our Truma AquaGo Vario Heat. We got your shore power coming over here. You got access and serviceability to all your Victron components. You can also option the Red Arc Manager 30, but you can access everything here, whether you're doing your winterization or if you've got to work on something, service something, it's all right there. Ladder extension. Pretty simple. Molly rack, tire carrier. Again, everything you see on the back end of this unit is an optional thing. You can fit up to a 40-inch tire on the back of these campers. Coming over to this door on this passenger side, you got quite a bit of storage here underneath the dinette seat. Of course, our slide for the toilet. You got your water tank here, so you can do your winterization for your water, and then you've also got this spigot here, so if you just want to wash your hands, you're outside, want to wash your feet off real quick, you can do that. This has got a tall door. Same door, it's still got the same brass bushings as our shorter doors that you'd find in our pop-up soft walls. They are 1 inch thick, foam filled, so they got a good R value as well. The screen doors, it's got that plastic mesh, so you can actually kick the door open if you had to in an emergency, and you don't have to worry about blowing the screen out. But come on in, show you a few around here. It's the same floor plan, identical floor plan to the Hudson Bay soft wall. The only difference is, because it's a hard side, you've got windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows, plus the emergency hatch. The escape hatch. Emergency escape hatch is a marine hatch. It's aluminum. It's got your slide shade. It's got your window cover as well. But what's really nice about it is it fully opens, so you can take advantage of that. Watch the stars at night. Maybe set up a telescope or whatever. It'd be really awesome. Going with the hard wall. Look at all the storage you gain on your upper cabinets. This one doesn't have a door on it because it's optioned with the microwave. If you didn't have the microwave, we'd automatically put a door on it. But you got lots of storage. Hit that, closes. Tons of storage all the way around. The addition of this one, again, this is a pre-production unit. So there's going to be a couple of tweaks. One of them is this. We're going to actually increase the depth of this cabinet here. But the shelves, 2 shelves in it, are completely adjustable. Same thing with our soft-sided units. You've got the countertop here on the storage cabinet on the passenger side that opens up. You got lots of storage underneath here. All bamboo countertops, table underneath in the storage cabinet. You got more storage there. And then of course you got some storage down underneath as well. In this cabinet you also find the 35-gallon fresh water tank. And look at this. There it is. As you know, with our soft-sided or hard-sided now, you get the slide-out toilet cabinet, so you can have the Thetford cartridge 223 CS, or this one's actually got the Thetford wrap-on toilet. It's folded down for transport right now, so ratchet strapped down, but you pull this up, extend the legs, and you're at a nice height. Great little product. Doesn't use any water whatsoever. But once you're done doing what you got to do, back in it goes. All starboard drawer fronts and door fronts. Full slide out drawers, all aluminum. As with all of our cabinetry, as you all know, if you know about anything about our products at all, 1.5 inch walls, 1.5 inch roof, 1.5 inch floor. the walls are different than the floor, and the roof is different than the walls. Until you get into the hard-sided, we're using the same wall panels up in our roof as well. This one's got the 164-liter NovaCool fridge, double latched, latch to the bottom, latch to the top, glass top sink, dual burner propane stove with glass top. You can also option go with the single burner induction. The single burner induction, you can actually remove it and take it outside and use it. So again, for that option, you also got to go with the inverter. With the hard side, you got the LED strip lighting around the dinette. Switches right here, and it's also dimmable off that same switch. And then you got your tank lights, your water pump, and an auxiliary. Up over the bed, I didn't show you this one, but there is another small strip light up here, and it's got a switch. This one's on off, it's not dimmable. But of course, with your surround for your multi-speed fan, you do have your LED light here as well. On both front and back on this show unit, we got everything on this one. Dinette folds down, of course, just like the soft-sided. Get a great bed going back there. If you got lots of kids, or you want some more storage, you can actually use the gurney bunk. This particular model doesn't have it optioned, but underneath the table, you pull out this panel here, and you've got a very deep basin for your shower. And that's what these racks up here are, or you can actually hang your gear bags from them. Everything comes standard with Victron components. You can option, not necessarily upgrade, but you can option Red Arc systems if you want. And underneath the bed, this one's got the optional underbed storage. That's 2.5 inch. Doesn't sound like a lot, but you can actually store quite a bit of stuff under here. It's amazing what you can do when you get creative. Because this is a hard side unit, for egress, we've added the marine hatch up front. That's an all aluminum piece. It comes with the pull shade and the screen as well. So if you're doing some stargazing at night or what have you, that's actually pretty handy for a multitude of things. I think that wraps it up though for the interior of this Hudson Bay. We could talk about weights really quickly. This one, as it's optioned with everything that we've optioned for this pre-production show unit, it's weighing at 2,450 pounds dry, but that does have a Reliant LT100 battery in it as well. Once you remove all the options, the weight comes in at 2,218 pounds. That's dry weight, no battery. It's worth mentioning, this pre-production unit, demo unit, I believe is going to be at all 4 expos this year in 2024. So look forward. It's on the red F350 with our Aluma Tray and the hard side. Big tall flag sticking up. You can't miss us. But check out our events page. All the shows that we're going to be at, and any shows that our dealers are going to be at, are always posted there. So if you want to come see any one of our products, hopefully you'll be able to get to see the product you want to see. But you know what? Even if the product that you want to see is not at one of the shows, it's worthwhile going to check it out anyways, because it doesn't matter whether you're looking at our full expedition truck, our Summit, or if you're looking at our entry-level backcountry slide-in pop-up campers. All of the components, the materials, construction methodology, all that stuff is the same. It doesn't matter which one you're looking at. So it'll really give you a good idea of the quality and what goes into building these campers. And once you touch and feel them, it's completely different than any video or any picture that you're ever going to see. So it's worth going to check them out. If you'd like to talk to us about this unit or any of the other models that we sell, manufacture and sell, please reach out to us directly at the factory or reach out to any one of our dealers. I'd be more than happy to help you out, answer any questions you got. Thanks very much.